Okay guys, in this video we are going to fix version 7.2 in CLO 3D is not accessible. I will show you 2 simple steps on how to resolve this issue and then run a test to ensure it is fixed. First, I will click on this website and verify if I'm a robot. Simply click begin and then click once on the end to place a dot. After that, click on the submit button here to continue. Now I will click on the accept all button here. Next, I will click on sign in and enter my username and password. After that, click on confirm. Now I will click on this download button here and select my operation system. I will choose Mac here to begin the download. And if I look over here, it is downloading. After downloading CLO 3D from the web, next I will uninstall the old CLO 3D software. If I check the download folder, I will see the new CLO software. Now I will go to application and click on CLO. I can either right click and move it to the trash can to uninstall it, or I will use this free app to install it. Simply open the app, then drag and drop CLO into the application. This will uninstall everything related to it. I will provide a link to this app below the video, guys. Now I will go to download and double click on it. Next, simply drag and drop it into application to install. Next, close this window. Then go to application and type CLO in the search box. And there is, guys, the standalone CLO app. I will double click on it to open. It is verifying. After that, click open. That is. Lastly, I will remove this CLO installer. Simply click on it and drag it into the trash can. And to test if CLO is working correctly, I will go to File and then open my project. Simply click on it and then click on Open. And there is, guys, CLO is working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click on the like button and follow me on Encoder Fashion for cool tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys.